Hello, welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you are new. By the way, today is a collab with Livvy and the Baby Lives. So, okay, children, we got the chalk. Okay, so it's time to get the chalk open. Now kids play and I'll be back. What? So we're just left out here alone. Uh-huh. With chalk. Da-da-da-da. Well, we should do some drawing. I'm drawing a reverse rainbow.
I'm drawing a heart.
The next color in my reverse rainbow. Here we go.
Okay, I think my work here is done.
Reverse rainbow, almost. There we go, we're finished.
I do some smaller hearts next to the big heart.
I'm going to be showing you what we're packing for the kids today when we go to the dog park, so let's go. So this is the bag that we're gonna be using. It's really nice because it changes into a changing mat. Not that we'll need to use that because we're bringing Titania and Sophia, and they're 4 and 8, and that'd be very weird if they needed to get their diaper changed. So the first thing I'm packing is 2 water bottles. This one is gonna be used for like Titania, I think. This one for Sophia. Time to plop them into the bag. There we go. For a snack, I got leftover dinner. Okay, so I got the salad and some spoons, and now I'm going to put it into the bag. And I'm going to put the spoons in the bag as well. And that's all I'm packing, so we got a full diaper bag of food. Also, by the way, as I said in the beginning, this is a collab with Livvy and her Baby Lives. Go check out their channel. I'll put it up on the screen on how to spell it. Okay, children, you're inside now. Good, because we're going to the dog park. Also, you probably didn't know, but we have a dog.
Well, we have more than one, but we're only bringing Hasha. Her name is Hasha.
Oh, God.
And if you didn't know, we have 2 cats. And Sophia, you can say something about one of those cat mints.
I got one for my birthday.
Yeah, and it's your own personal cat.
Yes.
You barely have
Okay, so we're at the dog park now, and I'm just in the other undercover area of the dog park, and the kids are just going to be playing. Come on, go down, Hasha. That is not what I meant. Hasha, go jump. Hasha is not a very smart dog. Yes.
You're big snacks and hungry.
Yeah, we brought a snack, but it's more of your lunch. Just wait a few more minutes, okay? Come on, Hush.
Tasha, come to me, come on. Good job. Good job!
Okay, children, come into the undercover area. I got your food. Okay, children, so I've got your waters. I got Titania's water. And I got Sophia's water. What? Sophia, I have your water. There. Thank you. Then I have some leftover dinner salad.
Oh, geez, why did you have to? We brought salad.
Phew, you brought salad.
Leftover dinner.
And then I got 2 spoons for you guys.
And it's leftover dinner.
Alright, so. Also, we had to transfer into a different box, but the other one was left. So that's why it has that. Also, this video is not sponsored. There you go. Children. There you go. I've got these spoons. Titania.
Okay.
Sophia. Do you even care? You just knocked over my water. Okay, well, yes. There you go. So are we supposed to eat this?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. Ew.
Time to dig in.
Oh.
You think it looks yummy? It looks delicious. Yeah, Sophia, see?
Okay, well, I'm just going to eat my food. I'm just going to eat my food. Okay, well, Sophia, there you go. Do you have to feed me? Yes. Oh wait, this time I'm going to feed myself. Are you eating it, Titania?
Mm-hmm.
Ew. Well, I got to eat a little bit more because I'm hungry. That was disgusting.
That was delicious.
Okay, well, at least you ate all of it.
And I was talking about it was good.
You didn't eat all of it. Okay, whatever, that's fine.
We ate some of it. We just
At least you ate some of it. I'm going to throw this out. Well, gonna put the lid on that somehow one-handedly. You probably don't want to see me doing this. Okay, I'll just clean up. Okay, so I cleaned up everything. It's all in the bag. So I'm going to put this on the counter. You guys can go play again. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video.
Yep, and we had so much fun filming.
We hope you enjoyed it. Please click like and subscribe. And go check out Livvy and the baby alives.
Yep.
and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.